Hey guys, Mike at Ophelias Blue Vine Farm, and I just love English roses. My mother used to love roses, and I planted this rose right here partly in memory of that. These are very fragrant English roses. So how do I keep them looking beautiful all summer long? It's a little pruning trick. Look how beautiful. Let me smell that. How wonderfully fragrant this is. And so this one's open, this one's about to open, this one's about to open, this one, and this is gonna look like a marvelous display for the people here driving down Vine in just a couple of days. But how do I keep them blooming like this all year long? Well, I do some very extensive pruning, and I'll show you what I mean. So this right here, okay, is a rose bud at the end of its life. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these little small pruners and I'm just gonna clip that off, okay? And we're gonna look for those all around this rose bush, and we're gonna clip those off. And what that's gonna do is it's going to stimulate more buds to push, and more flowers, more roses, and really that's all that's to it. You're deadheading these rose bushes right here, and here's another one. There it is right there. I'm coming in here. I'm just gonna cut that off. I'm gonna cut that off, you know. Nothing fancy, nothing too hard. Anything dead, you just take it out. And it's just that simple. So if you too want beautiful roses all summer long, don't forget to prune.